Welcome to Linux Help. In this session, we are going to see how to install Calligra on Debian version 12. Calligra Suite is an office suite similar to LibreOffice or OpenOffice suites that is available on Ubuntu and other KDE-based Linux systems. It contains the following apps: Words, Stage, Sheets, Flow, and Kexi Office apps, Krita and Karbon, graphics manipulation, and plan project management. Check the OS version using following command. Update the system packages by using following command. Install the Calligra by using following command. Calligra has been installed. Switch the Calligra. Now the Calligra installation has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.